Welcome back, guys. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee. We're going to be doing a little test drive today. First off, hit that subscribe button. We post videos every single day. We are a classic car dealer here in Hendersonville, Tennessee. That's located about 15 minutes north of Nashville. Got close to about 1,300 videos here on YouTube, so definitely check them all out. And today we're going to go down the road in a 1965 Mustang Convertible. This one's got the 260 under the hood. AC compressor's there, as you can see, not hooked up. Does have a Cobra air cleaner and valve covers. It's not a real Cobra, guys, but it looks cool up under the hood. We're gonna be going over anything that isn't right on this car, taking it down the road, pointing out all the flaws, so that you know exactly what you're getting when you get here. We try to be honest and upfront because we sell these cars all over the nation, and yes, we want your repeat business. Check out maplemotors.com. Close to 100 detailed pictures. We do have finance options available, and we can ship these cars anywhere in the country. I just got done doing another Mustang a little bit earlier. It was a 66 sitting out there in the front. You can check its video out as well. There's also a walk around video pointing out any kind of flaws on the outside of this car, giving you some undercarriage shots. You can check that out by typing in the year, the model, and Maple Motors in the YouTube search bar. All right, guys, without further ado, let's go for a ride. We're gonna check the interior out. Go ahead, take your poll here. Do you think the horn works? Up in the top right corner. I'm gonna try to get it to where it pops up every time I say this. I've been putting it at the beginning of the videos apparently, and people cannot find them. That's because it was at the beginning of the video instead of right where it needs to be. Checking out the dash. It's in good shape. It's not all tore up. Do got this one blowing down here. It's not cold, but you know what? It feels pretty good when you're sitting still and it's real hot outside. Go ahead and try the radio. See if it works. I don't think it does. It's not cutting on. Try our wipers. You can stop them anywhere you want. They work, but you got to go ahead and stop them on their way down. The top goes down nice and easy. You can check that out in the walk around video. What do you think? Did y'all take a bet on the horn yet? It's kind of weak. It works though. All right, guys, let's take off. Go ahead and get my seatbelt on here. And it's scalding hot. Today is I think the hottest day in Tennessee with the humidity and the temperature. So please bear with me. I've caught myself stuttering over my words. I think it's just the heat. All right, anything I see, I will point out. First off, we're gonna stop at the gas station because it's showing right on E right now. The steering's pretty tight. I mean, as soon as I turn, it turns, and it's going straight down the road without having any issues there. Speedometer's coming up. This car does show 21,000 miles. It's hard to stand behind that because this is a 65 model. The engine temp has came up a little bit, so that is working. Let's see if the kickdown's hooked up. Passing gear is working. Little motor sounds pretty good. The bump right here. It takes its suspension pretty well. Try the brakes out before I get too close here. They're not bad. It is drum brakes, so you do need to space yourself, give you a little bit of distance between the car in front of you, just to be safe. I typically do that with any classic car, because I don't want to be the one wrecking the classic car. Turn signal is popping up on the dash here. And it kicks off by itself. There's shade over this way. We're gonna go this way. I'm gonna throw close to $20 worth of fuel in this car. That way we'll know if the gas gauge actually works. Most of the time it does, because nobody wants to leave fuel in a car they're selling. So we're gonna add some gas. That way when somebody buys it from us, they'll be happy. They ain't gotta go straight to the gas station. All right. Getting some gas back here. About $10 right now. You put her in right there in the center in the back. And we're gonna check that gas gauge out. All right, so we got off in the car here. Go ahead and turn the key on. Look at that gas gauge fly up. It's working. $20 always gets you about a half a tank in these classics. Woo! Gotta shake out this towel, man. This thing's a lifesaver. I don't know if y'all ever got one of them. It's called a cool towel. But I ended up picking up a bunch of them for everybody at the lot. And now everybody's walking around with them. It definitely helps. And I also got my Gatorade. We're gonna roll up in this parking lot over here and go ahead and get some photos of the outside of the car. Testing out the new camera today. Now I got 2 GoPro 7s to increase production up here. That way when one's download, I'm videoing with the other one. So we're gonna get some outside shots. You can see all the equipment that I use in the description below. It's that virtual drive time. Oh, I'm still looking goofy with y'all on my head here. All the sweat going around. You know. Just living that Tennessee life. We're gonna head on back to the lot now. So far, so good. This car's just been sitting in the parking lot idling. I got a phone call from my mom. I didn't cut the car off. The temperature's still good. It's nice and cool. Guess I need to put my seatbelt back on. And it's close to 5 o'clock now, about 3:30. So we got a little bit of traffic jumping our way. I'll try not to move my head too much so I don't make y'all dizzy. This one here's got a nice smooth ride to it. old style wrap around the steering wheel, like a baseball glove. This road here's got a big old speed bump in it. We're gonna hit it at a moderate speed. Suspension's nice on this one, so it shouldn't rock us too much. It's right here. I like how this red light's just turning green every time we come up to it now. Wish I had one of those buttons. Good deal. Pulling back in the lot here because I got one more car I want to do today, and I got about an hour and a half to do it. And that's going to be the 55. Do appreciate y'all watching. If you don't mind, hit that subscribe button. I try to post videos every single day. You can also hit the notification bell and let you know every time I post one. We update our website every Monday with new cars. Throughout the week, I post all of them with these test drives and walkarounds. That way you know the car before you come down here. You can check out a full list of our inventory at maplemotors.com. Also get financed and shipping information. Definitely check that out. If you don't mind, hit the share button as well. The more you share, the more videos I put out. I appreciate y'all watching. Thanks again, guys.